Hello students of class 10, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing with chapter 4, quadratic equation. Okay, let's start. We have done till question number 1 of exercise 4.2. Today we are starting with question number 2 of 4.2, exercise 4.2. Got it? Now read the question. What is the question? This is the question. Solve the problem given in example 1 of NCERT book, page number 71. Now take out page 71. In that they have solved that word problem till here. X square minus 45x plus 324 equals to 0. Got it? Now we have to find the value of x here. How will you find the value of x here? Same, by splitting the middle term. Yesterday I have taught you how to split the middle term. And here we will now split into 2. What are the numbers here? X square minus 45x plus 324 equals to 0. So, 2 number when you multiply, you have to get what? 324 times 1. That is 324. And the same number when you add, you have to get minus 45. Put it x. What are the 2 numbers? Just go through the fraction type. 324. So 324, what will be the number now? 324 you factorize it and get the number. First I am taking with 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 2 won't go. Put a 0. 3 eights are 24. Now again 3 I am taking. 3 threes are 9. Got it? 9 balance is 1. 3 6 are 18. So I will get 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9 and the other number as 36. How? 36 plus 9 is 45. Got it? So I will write one number here 36 and the other number 9 here. Are you getting? Now we have to get minus 45. Put the sign minus and here minus times minus is plus. So the number minus 45 can be split into 2, minus 36x and minus 9x. Now I will write x square minus 36x minus 9x equals to, plus 324 equals to 0. Got it? We have splitted this minus 45x as minus 36x and minus 9x. Now put a bracket. What is the common factor here? X is the common factor. Take out x. Got it? And if you take out x, the remaining will be x minus 36. Now we have to get x minus 36 here. So what we have to take? Minus 9 outside. Because minus 9 goes in 324. So remaining is x minus 36. Okay? If you are having any doubt in this splitting the middle term, I am making another video of splitting the middle term. Okay? You will get lot of example in that. Now, this is one term, this is the other term. Take the common term, 3x minus 36. And the leftover term is x minus 9 equals to 0. Now it's easy for you, is it not? So x minus 36 is 0 and x minus 9 is 0. So what will be x? X can be positive 36 or x can be positive 9. So these are the 2 numbers. In the equation, in the example number, they have given this equation. You have to get the answer for x. Got it? Now they have told you to solve both the questions. Okay, Read the second question then. The second question is x square minus 55x plus 750. Got it? Same method, you have to split the middle term. Okay, split the middle term. Be fast. From now onwards, we are doing it a little fast. Same method, two numbers you multiply, you have to get 1 times 750, that is 750. Good. The same number you add, you have to get minus 55. So what will be the factorization method we will follow? This one. This will go by 5. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 2 balance, 5 5s are 25, 0. Is it not? Again it will go by, because 150 minus 5 is not 55. So again we have to reduce it. 5 3s are 15 and 0. 5 into 5 is what? 25. So if I take 25 and 30, can I make it 55? Yes. 30 plus 25 is 55. You got the answer. Once again I'm telling, if you are having any doubt in this one, just go through my integers, that splitting the middle term video. You will get all the details in that. Just you will have to go through that one. Okay, this is 30 and this is 25. Now we have to get minus 55. We'll put minus and 55 is x. Put the x. Got it? Now how can I put here? X square, in place of minus 55 I will put minus 30x minus 25x. Minus 30x and minus 25x. Then plus 750 is equal to 0. Now what is our next rule? Yes, put this in a bracket. Okay, put this in a bracket. So when you put this in a bracket, what you will get the common factor here? X will be the common factor. Now remaining is x minus 30. Now here what will be the common factor? Yes, naturally minus 25 we have to take. So minus, if comes out, it will become plus. 750 divided by 30 you have to do. So what is 750 divided by 30? 750 divided by 25. This is what you will get, 30. If you are doubtful, just divide it and see. 25 times 3 is 75 and the 0. Got it? If you have any doubt, solve it and then write it down. Now this is two terms. X minus 30 I have taken common and x minus 25 the other. So x will be what? X will be 30 and x will be equal to 25. So the number of toys in that example, it's for the toys produced on that day was 30 and 25. Clear? So we have done question number 2. Now 4.2, question number 3. Read the question number 3. Find the numbers whose sum is 27. Find the numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Got it? So how will you do the sum? Find two numbers. Read the question 2 times. I'm doing it here. Let one number be x. Find two numbers whose sum is 27. So naturally, if two numbers are there, let it be dash whose sum dash plus dash is equal to, find two numbers whose sum is 27. Okay. So one number will be, if the one number is x. Okay. So other will be what? Other will be naturally the result minus this one. Is it not? 27 minus x plus x cancel out, you will get 27. So these are the other number is this one. Therefore, what they have asked you, and product is 182 and their product is 182. So one number is x, the other is 27 minus x. So one number multiplied by the other number, 27 minus x. And the product is what they have given? 182. Yeah, 182. Now you have to solve, you have to make it in a quadratic equation. How will you do it in a quadratic equation? X times 27 is what? 27x. X times minus x is what? Yes, minus x square equals to 182. Either you bring 182 here and change all the sign, or shift this to left hand, right hand side. Okay, I am shifting all to right hand side. So x square will become positive x square. 27 plus 27x will become negative 27x, and no change in sign of 182 because it's not leaving its place, equals to 0. Got it? Now we have to split again the middle term. Okay, how will you split the middle term? Now you know. Start doing fast. 1 time 182 is 182. Is it not? Then the middle number should be 27x. Same method you follow. 182, you do it by 2. 2 how many times 18? 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Then 91. In what number 91 will go? That you should know. It will go by 7. 7 1s are 7, 8 9 2 balance, 7 3s are 21. Now you will, what is 7 plus? You will get one number as 13, and 7 into 2 is what? 14. One number is 14, the other number is 13. So add 14 plus 13. Is it 27? Yes, you got the answer. So one number is 14, the other number is 13. But now sign. What is the sign? This is minus 27. So I have to put minus 27. Minus 10 minus is positive, and the value of x. Is it easy now? Yes, very easy. X square, in place of minus 27, I will write minus 14x and minus 13x. Minus 14x, leave a little space for 13x because we have to put a bracket. 182 is equal to 0. Now put a bracket. Take the now be fast. Take bracket x outside, x minus 14, and then again we have to take minus outside because we have to put minus sign here, and this should be plus 13. So x minus 14. You check it. 182. How will you check? 182 divided by 13, you will get 14. Okay. Now take the common factor, x minus 14, leftover factor, x minus 13 equals to 0. So x minus 14 is equal to 0 you will get. X minus 13 is equal to 0 you will get. So what is x? Yeah, you have done. X is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. So finally the required numbers are 14 or 13. Got it? 14 and 13. Clear? So question 3 also we have completed. Now question number 4. I will do it here. Question number. Read the question. Read the question thoroughly. I have written the question, but read it thoroughly. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square, here we have to concentrate, sum of whose square is 365. Got it? So how will you form the equation? You know what is consecutive integers. So consecutive integers means what? Consecutive integer. I have taught you in the first chapter. Equals to x, x plus 1, x plus 2. It goes on like that. Got it? We want two consecutive integers. So take these two consecutive integers. How will you write? Let the first consecutive integer be x. Okay? And the second consecutive integers be x plus 1. So let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive integers. Now, sum of whose square? Concentrate here. Sum of whose square? So, sum means plus. Whose square means x square, and x plus 1 always put in a bracket. So, got it? So, the equation will become x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. The sum of whose square is equal to 365. Got it? Clear? Now, open the bracket. X square as it is x square. X plus 1 the whole square. This also I have taught you in the first class. A plus b the whole square. In that identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. It will become x square plus 2x plus 1. So, equals to 365. Now, add, this is common term. So, you will get 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. Now, what's our next job? We have to bring this 365 to the left hand side. Okay, bring this and then automatically change the sign. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus will become minus 365 equals to 0. Got it? Up till here it is clear. Now 365 is minus sign and this is plus sign. So it will become this. If you minus it, what will be the answer? It will become 364. And what sign? Concentrate on sign. The greatest number is having minus sign. So you can write this equation as 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Yeah, good. 364. You can multiply this two and get the product term. But before that, you think, what is here? Here both are, these three terms are even number. So reduce the factor. Divide all side by 2. If you divide all side by 2, what you will get? Yes, 2 cancel, you will get x square. 2 cancel, you will get x. And then here if you cancel, you will get 182. So minus 182 equals to 0. Here you have to write divide all the throughout by 2. Now split this term. Start, split this term. Do it fast. Do faster than me. 2 number multiply, you will get minus 182. Same number you add, you have to get 1. So what will be the number? 182 you have to get. So say 182. It will go by 2. So if you go by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2. Same. 7, then 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Say 14 and 30. Got it? But here 14 minus 13 because we want here positive 1. Got it? So greater number you put here, the other number you put here, you have to get plus 1. So you will get plus 14 and minus 13. This is 1x, so you won't be confused in writing. Now this equation you can write as, how I can write? X square, in place of plus x, you can write plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 equals to 0. Now take this in a bracket. Okay. Now next job is to take out the, pull out the common number. X is common, so remaining is x plus 14. Here, same, you have to take minus 13 outside, so x minus 14, sorry, x plus minus you have taken outside, so minus will become plus equals to 0. Now, what is the common factor? The common factor is x plus 14 and the remaining is x minus 13 equals to 0. Now you got the answer. X plus 14 is equal to 0 and x minus 13 equals to 0. So x is what? X is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to positive 13. Got it? So the positive integers are, so hence the required two consecutive positive integers are 13 or 13 and 14. How? Here they told, what they have told you, find two consecutive positive integers. So here we can't deal with this number. This is a negative integer. So we don't want this one. So we want x is equal to 13. So if x is equal to 13, the other x is equal to 13. So other next consecutive integers is what? X plus 1 will be 13 plus 1. What is 13 plus 1? 14. So 13 and 14 are the consecutive integers. Clear? So after completing, you should read the question. What they have asked you? They have asked you positive integer. So don't just go for the negative, because they have already told positive integer. So take only the positive and then the next number will be 14. Clear? Question number 4. Now, question number 5. Read the question fast. What is question number 5? What is question number 5? Yeah, I have written here. Yes. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find other two sides. Got it? Read the question thoroughly, because this here you have to solve the question with the help of quadratic equation. So what they have asked you? The altitude of a right triangle. So what is meant by right triangle? You know what is right triangle. If I make a triangle, so the one of the angle should be 90 degree. Is it not? Let it be A, B and C. This is called the 90 degree right angle. So opposite to this will be hypotenuse, this will be base and this will be altitude. Clear? Now, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. So let base be equal to x. Altitude they told less than base is 7. So what will be this equation? So then in a right triangle, then the base will be x centimeter. You have to write the centimeter. Okay, or unit should not forget. And height of the right triangle will be x minus 7. Up till here you know. Now here one formula you have to use. In a right triangle, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What is? I think all know what is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square, I am writing for hypotenuse h or hy. Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. This is hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now here what they have told you, the altitude of the rectangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. if the hypotenuse is what? 13. So here hypotenuse what? 13. So we can write in 13 and you have to put the square equals to, what is altitude here? X minus 7 the whole square plus x square. Got it clear? Here you have to remember the Pythagorean theorem. What is the base, or how can you form the equation of altitude, and then solve the equation here. Clear? Now, squaring. In class 8 you have done full squaring. You have to by heart till 30, I think so. What is 13 square? 13 square is 169 equals to a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab. It will become minus 14x plus b square. Okay. And then this x square. Clear? X square and x square will be 2x square. 169 is equal to 2x square minus 14x. B square is what? Sorry, B square will be 49. 7 sevens are 49 plus 49. Got it? I was saying the identity, so B square came. 7 squares are 49. Got it? Now we have to bring 169 to the right hand side. 169 become negative and this 49. So 49 is positive, this is negative. So what you have to do? You have to minus. Yes. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. You will get 120, that too in negative sign. So you can write 2x square minus 14x minus 120 equals to 0. Now same thing. You have to divide all side by 2 to make it as simple. If you divide 2 also you will get 0. So what you will get? X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now split the middle term. How will you split the middle term? 2 number if you multiply, you have to get negative 60. Is it not? The same number if you add, you have to get negative 7. Okay, x. Split the middle term. 60 you have to get. So, but for 60, I will start by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 12 minus 5 is what? 7. So, two numbers are 12 and 7. Got it? Clear? So, one number is 12. The other number is 5. But you have to get 7 as negative. So, naturally you have to take negative 12 and positive 5. Put this x. Finished? Now, write the equation splitting the middle term. X square minus 12x, then plus 5x, the last number is minus 60 equals to 0. Put a bracket. Now you should be faster than me. Take x common, x minus 12. Then what you will be common here? 5 plus 5, x minus 12 equals to 0. Take out the common factor outside. X minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 12 will become positive 12 and x will be equal to, here what will be x? X will be negative 5. So now you should use your brain. Whether the height will be, base will be negative? No. So this is discarded. So our answer is x is equal to 12. What is x here? Here x is the base. We can write base is equal to 12. Don't forget the unit, centimeter. And what is altitude? X minus 7. So what is x minus 7? 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7? 12 minus 7 is 5. So altitude is equal to 5 centimeter. Got it? You can write last. Therefore, the length of the two sides are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Clear this question? Okay. Now, we will come to the last question of this exercise. Okay. So, what is the last question? Just read the question fast. A little lengthy question. A cottage industry is a lengthy question. Read, huh? Read 2 times. Now I am reading once. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each articles, that was in rupees, was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So here we don't know the number of articles produced. Is it not? Read the question 2 times, 3 times, no problem. Finally, what you have to find out? Find the number of articles produced. So let the number of article produced on that day be X. Got it? On that day be X. Now, next what they have told you? Then the cost will be what? What will be the cost? The cottage industry produces a certain pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day, that the cost of production of each article was 3 more. Second equation will be 3 more than twice the number of articles. Number of articles X, twice the articles. This is in rupees. So, cost of production will be cost of production will be 2x plus 3. Got it? Now what they have asked you? Therefore, total cost of production on that day is equal to what they have asked you? Cost of each article. Therefore, total cost of production on that day is equal to number of articles produced on that day, X multiplied by cost of production of each article on that day. Got it? So how will you form the equation? X, that is number of articles produced, times 2x plus 3. This will be the total cost. Are you getting? Once again, I am helping you. The cost of production of the article on that day is this much. Cost of production of article is this much. Therefore, the total cost we want. Total cost of production on that day will become number of articles produced. Number of article is what? X. Number of articles produced times cost of production of each article on that day. So, each cost of production of each article is this much. When you multiply, what you will find what they are getting? If the total cost of production on that day was 90. Got it? Total 90, number of article X, cost of production is 2x plus 3. Now clear? Now it will be easy for you. How will you do this one? 90 equals to x times 2x is what? X times 2x is 2x square. Then x times 3 is what? Plus 3x. Bring this 90 to the right hand side. 2x square, this everywhere you put implies, plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now we have to split the middle term. How will you split the middle term? two number when you multiply, you have to get 90 times 2 is 180 and that too in minus. Got it? So equals to minus 180. The same number you have to get positive 3 and that to x. Here 180, do it with the 180. So what will be the number? I will take the easiest as 5. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 3, 5, 6 are 30. Is it not? Now, again 30, this one, this came. So how will you get this number? Go by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now, 5 3s are 15 and 12. If I take 15 and 12, 15 minus 12 is what? 3. I got the number. One is 15, the other is 12. But I want positive 3. So take greater number as positive and smaller as negative and put x. Clear? Now, put in this equation. 2x square, in place of 3x you will get positive 15x, negative 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. Yes. Now take the common. X is the common. 2x plus 15. Now what will be common here? 12 and 90. Yes. 6 will come. Take negative 6. The ref 6 2s are 12. 90 divided by 6 is 15 plus 15 is equal to 0. In this 2 term, 2x plus 15 is the common factor. X minus 6 is equal to 0. Got it? So, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0. So, 2x is equal to negative 15. X will be equal to negative 15 by 2. Got one answer. X will be equal to 6. Okay? Since now here there is a fraction. Okay? So x is the number of articles. So it cannot be a negative sign. It's an article. It cannot be a negative sign. So we will go by x is equal to 6. So number of articles produced on that day is equal to 6. Number of articles produced on that day is equal to 6. Got it? Now they have asked us to find the cost of each article. Okay. So cost of each article will be equal to 2x plus 3 is our formula. So we'll put value of x as 6. So 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is rupees 50. 12 plus 3 is 50. Got it? Clear? Thus we have completed this chapter this exercise 4.2. Okay? Thank you, children. Just go through once or twice. Just have a practice. Tomorrow I will give you the next exercise 4.3. Thank you, dear.